Hello, my fellow YouTubers. On this experiment, I took off the top load, that right there, and now I just got to connect it to the top probe. This is the positive part of the collector. This is the energy provider. So it's putting electrons into this alligator clip. Then the other end of the alligator clip goes to this um, which goes down into the center of the capacitor I made. This time I made some changes. I added a bottom to it on the inside and a bottom on the outside. And I wanted to see if it would charge without that top capacitor. And we're going to give it a little test. Now remember that this energy is being made by that rubber band. It's spinning, pushing a negative out the collector here, which is I'm dumping that in the ground, and then the positive, which would be the electrons, would be coming out through that wire. So we're going to go ahead and wow. So we are picking up a really good charge. Now remember the other video I did, we were doing it wirelessly. It didn't have a wire, we're just picking up the ambient electron flow. But that was cause of the top load, the capacitor that was sitting up top there. So without the capacitor, it won't do it wirelessly. FYI for my boys. Let's give us another test. Woo! I wouldn't be touching that, guys. This thing will hurt. If it don't kill you, it hurts you. So it's collecting. That's a good current snap too. Now we have the collector off. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yep. And we'll go ahead. Let's see if we can kill it. I want to be able to touch it without getting my ass shocked. Alright, so there you go. Did the bottom, did the inside. Now I got solid 1/4 inch. I'll sit it here. We'll go ahead and connect that. Count how many seconds. And we'll go ahead and disconnect. Let's go ahead and give it a test run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It wasn't even a long charging either. So, collecting static energy in these capacitors are the way to go for a thin dielectric. It's very important you have a thin dielectric. Let's give this a little test run. Woo! Oh, that was a little snappy wappy. So I guess on the next video I'll do, I'm going to go ahead and put it into, make that a spark gap going into a primary of the secondary Tesla coil, and see if we can electromagnetically light up this light bulb every time this thing would spark on and off. Leave your comments, my fellow YouTubers. Woohoo! NASCAR.